inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh.
So this is our playing field. In our playing field, we have 6 parts and 1 extension. This extension over here is called Life Point Monitor Panel. And here is the first part of the playing field, which is the deck platform, where our deck containing 40 cards are placed over here. And here's the bonds platform, where we put our bonds over here. And here is the monster platform, where we put our monster card over here. Specifically over here, the card turner, which is will turn the monster card either horizontal or vertical position. Here's the activation plan, where we put our activation element card to activate our monster card over here. And here's the graveyard, where everything that considered dead are put over here. And here's the controller platform, where every button that used in our game will be placed over here. And this is nothing, it's just a connector between monster platform and the action platform over here. This action platform over here is where we put our trap and spell card.
Because in my turn, so I take 2 cards. So I cannot show my cards to the opponent. Only me can see. Starting.
Attack at the first place, right? First round cannot attack.
Yeah, that's first. But now I want to tell that each player has 1,500 life point. Yeah, okay. And the winning condition is the player need to form 6 bond, or the opponent life point is become 0.
True.
Alright, so I intend to make a level 2 monster. To make a level 2 monster, you need 2 different elements. So here, I will show you how does it work. So for this Aqua Dragon, it requires hydrogen and oxygen, which I have here, hydrogen and oxygen. So I'm able to activate this Aqua Dragon, and I can either attack Najib or Cheryl. So I plan to attack Cheryl. So his HP will be reduced by 350.
I have a monster card called Fritz the Crew, which is level 1 monster card, and it needs only 1 element card to activate it, which is chlorine. So I have chlorine element card with me. So activate it. And I want to attack Tom.
Oh, okay. So since he attacked me, my level monster card will go straight to the graveyard. Because 175 minus 175 would be 0.
And my will also die. Hiya.
I have chlorine here.
Oh, nice.
So now I will attack Tom.
Okay.
17. Sorry. I put this
175.
chlorine into my graveyard. So Tom level will be deducted 175.
You have any card to defend?
No.
Tom? Oh, nice. I will do another more. I have level 3 monster card called Souls of Nicotine, and it needs 3 element cards, which is carbon,
Oh my god.
oxygen, and nitrogen, and I have 3 of them. So it's activated.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I attack Tom with this.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. So when he attack me, I have a level 2 monster protecting me, so the leftover damage would be what's your damage, Najib?
525. So 175 left.
So 5. Oh yeah, 175 left.
175
So
left.
my HP will be deducted 175, and my level 2 monster will go to the graveyard. So I have nothing on my field right now.
And yeah, true.
Level 3 monster card is very scary. I don't like it.
2 thumbs down.
So if I have a trap or spell card, I need to put it here. But if you don't want to activate it, you need to close it so that the opponent cannot see your card. But if you want to activate it, you need to open it. But since I don't want to use it, so I close it and I put it aside.
Alright, so I activate a spell card. So right here, I activate a spell card which increases my monster attack by 50 and 50 attack and 50 defense. So I can choose some of my monsters to increase attack and defense. So I will choose my level 2 monster, which is the Aqua Dragon. Alright, so I choose. So I will deal 400 damage to Sharel and 325 damage to Najib. And then I end my turn. Alright, so one more thing is that because I've used my spell card, so you go to the graveyard.
I will use this trap card, which is Mad Scientist. I can choose any opponent and take one his or her chemical bond. Yay! I'll take
Oh
Cheryl's.
no! What card do you want?
Let me see your bond.
My bond.
I think you
My
separate
bond.
the bond, Cheryl. You put separate the bond.
So here
Separate the
I
bond.
have hydrochloric acid and mercury oxide.
Mercury
two bonds.
oxide. I will take HCl.
So Najib will take HCl, and I will put this. Since I cannot give him right now, so I
Yes.
will assume it.
Kubit.
COVID.
Cô Biệt.
Yes. So I will put it on my graveyard, so that
Alright.
I will not be confused.
Alright.
I will use Apollo Antidote. You see this? No! Apollo Antidote. So this spell card say that it will give me 500 LP. So I will increase my LP for 500. So since I already used this spell card, so I will put it to my graveyard.
Alright, so I choose to activate a trap card. Right, which is withdraw, choose an opponent to withdraw 2 cards from his or her hand and draw 1 new card. Which means I choose a player and then force him to take 2 cards from his hand and put it back into the deck and then draw 1 more card from the deck. I would choose Najib.
Yay.
Flower of Revival, Protego Maxima, Arsenic, and Chlorine.
Jap. Spell dan trap card saya rasa tak payah dikira kan?
No, because once you put in the field, it doesn't count.
Alah, Najib kenapa tak letak dalam field?
Najib, what are the 2 spell cards?
Flower of Revival and Protego Maxima.
What are? Can you read? What is the?
Protego Maxima, okay, is to protect the user,
Bye.
and Flower of Revival is to revive one of the monster.
I take the revival.
Okay.
And what are your elements again? Your elements?
Chlorine and Arsenic.
I take chlorine and the revival, put it
Alright.
back into your deck, and then shuffle it and then draw 1 more card from the deck.
The other 2 I keep, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah.
So now I want to make an action. So here, I want to make a bond with mercury and oxygen. Combine it with both of these, and it will become mercury oxide. So I already bond one chemical. So I have done my action, and I put it aside. And now I want to make a bond here. So here I have chlorine. Combine it with hydrogen. So it will become hydrochloric acid, HCl. Now I have 2 bonds.
That's what you do to me.
Yay!
Let's celebrate it.
Yay!
No need celebrate. So many homework.